Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to share with you exactly how to type the hashtag symbol on your MacBook. Usually, if your MacBook keyboard is using the US layout, it is super simple. You can just press Shift-3 and you will get the hashtag. But if you cannot type the hashtag with this shortcut, it is very likely your keyboard is not using the US layout. For example, if you are using the UK British keyboard layout, hitting Shift-3 will give you a different symbol instead. In this case, you simply need to change Shift-3 to Option 3, and you will be able to type the hashtag. This happens because your keyboard layout is set to a different region. Generally speaking, if the Shift key doesn't work for a symbol, you can try the Option key. And the final way to type a hashtag on a MacBook is to press Ctrl-Command-Space to open the character viewer window. In the search bar, just type $sign. You will see the hashtag symbol in the search results, and you can just click to use it. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next videos.